welcome back. We are AJkreatives. Today we're playing Freeze or Choose challenge. It's a game about self-control. We'll give you a situation, and if you think you should apply self-control, you say freeze. And if you think you take action, you say choose. Are you ready? Let's get started!
You see chocolate before dinner and you feel like eating it. Freeze or choose?
Freeze.
Why?
Because you're not supposed to eat chocolate before dinner.
Your sibling annoys you and you feel like getting back at them. What do? Freeze or choose?
Choose.
Why?
Freeze. But why? Because you're not supposed to hurt your siblings or try to fight them because they're little and you're the big one, and then you need to make the right choice. Yes.
Dad's coming home with 2 bags of groceries. You see him, but you're playing with your toys. Freeze or choose?
Choose.
Why?
Because you need to help your dad. Because you need to help your dad and because unpack the groceries. Because his hands will hurt and you need to help him do stuff. So he's gonna reward you something.
You feel like shouting when angry. Freeze or choose?
Freeze.
Why?
Because you're not supposed to scream when you're angry. Because if you scream, your neighbor might fall to your parents when you scream, and your neighbor might be taking care of the baby, and you might scream. Then the baby will start crying again.
Your friend dares you to do something wrong. Freeze or choose?
Freeze.
Why?
Because if you do a dare, you might injure yourself or wound yourself. So it's better that you just leave your friend. But if your friend keeps saying, you're scaredy cat, instead of just doing it, you could just ignore it. Or tell your teacher.
You're watching TV and mom says, do the dishes. Freeze or choose?
Choose.
Why?
Because you need to help wash the dishes and you need to help your mom, or else your mom will be stressed and tired, and then when your mom says wash the dishes, probably it's gonna be small until when she says wash it again, it's gonna be a pile of plates in the sink. And if your mom said wash the dishes, you have to help her because she has lots of work to do. So help her. So she'll have less work to do.
You spill water on the floor, but no one's watching. Freeze or choose?
Choose.
Why?
Because you need to clean a mess up, or someone might slip and fall and hurt, and the person will hurt themselves.
It's bedtime and you feel like jumping on the bed. Freeze or choose?
Freeze.
Why?
Because you're not supposed to jump on the bed. Because when you're jumping on the bed, someone might roll, and whilst you're jumping on the bed, you might miss your balance and fall.
Your teacher's teaching and your friend tells you something funny and you feel like laughing. Freeze or choose?
Freeze.
Why?
Because Because if you do a sign or laugh or do anything that will make the person say that, oh yes, he answered me, you're gonna get in trouble. But instead, just ignore. You ignore them.
You finished eating and there are lots of dishes on the dinner table. Freeze or choose?
Choose. Because I choose to get the plates and put them on the kitchen table. So the table's not gonna be dirty and it's gonna be tidied and cleaned up.
Your baby brother's playing with your favorite toy and you feel like taking it. Freeze or choose?
You choose. Because if your brother's playing with your favorite toy, he might suck it or break it, or he might swallow it. Because and it might be tiny, so you need to take action and you could just make him laugh. Then when he drops the toy, you could just get it.
But what if your baby brother could play with a toy if the toy was for his age? Would you freeze or choose?
Freeze.
Why?
Because if your brother could play with the toy, you could share it, or you could let him finish playing with the toy, then you could take it.
You're playing a board game and you lost and you feel like smashing it. Freeze or choose?
Freeze!
Why?
Because if you do this, your hand might hurt, and you might be ending up going to the hospital. But you might win another time, so you don't need to smash the board table. And if you smash the board table, you can't play it anymore. And that's bad sportsmanship. I hope you enjoyed playing with us. I'm sure you learned something about self-control. Thanks for watching. Remember to be kind to make the world a better place. Today we're gonna play Freeze or Choose challenge. It's a game about self-control.
Your teacher is teaching and your friend tells you something funny. Freeze or choose?
Freeze. Choose.
Freeze or choose?
Freeze.
Why?
But you freeze because wait, what freeze? What freeze?
Your teacher's teaching and your friend tells you something funny and you feel like laughing. Freeze or choose?
Freeze. I said freeze. You said no, I said I like freeze. I hope you enjoyed playing with us. And if you just cut that bit.
Dad comes home with 2 bags of groceries and you're playing with your toys.